So today I'm doing a very simple clam omelet recipe that's ready in just over 5 minutes. And this is perfect when you're feeling too tired to cook, but want to save some money and not eat out so much. So first, you want to cut your green onion into small pieces so that they will cook quickly in the egg. And put that into my mixing bowl. And now I'm using canned baby clams, and I'm trying not to get too much of the liquid in. You can use as much of the clams as you want. I'm gonna put in about 1/3 of the can and then save the rest for something else. Remember to put the rest of your clams in the refrigerator if you're not gonna use them right away. Next, I'm gonna crack 5 eggs. A little pinch of salt, and a little bit of pepper. Then mix everything together like you're making scrambled eggs. Okay, then we're gonna heat up a pan on medium-low heat. Give it a minute or so to heat up, and then add oil. And make sure to coat the bottom of your pan evenly. And when it feels like there's heat coming out, you can add in your egg and clam mixture. And make sure to get all my egg in there. And now we wait for it to cook. Okay, if it looks like one side is cooking faster than the other side, all you have to do is rotate your pan. Okay, when it's about 70% cooked, we're gonna flip it. Now, I'm really terrible at flipping omelets, so I'm not even gonna try to keep it intact, but I'm gonna break it up into pieces and put it back together later. If you have an omelet flipping technique that works, let me know in the comment section below because I would really like to learn. Alright, so now turn the heat off and wait about 20 seconds, then we can plate. And as easy as that, our clam omelet is ready. Bon appetit! Don't forget to subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you guys next time.